Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Archituber. Wishing you all a very happy new year. To start with this year, we are going to be learning softwares for the software series. First we will be learning about AutoCAD. So for the part 1, we are going to be learning about the basics of AutoCAD. So in the part 1, I am going to teach user interface, working interface, understanding the units, basic shapes and the basic commands. Now when you first start AutoCAD, this is how that your user interface or screen will look like. It also depends on the software and the version that you are using. Currently I am using 2022, that's why the user interface is little bit different from 2021. Now to start a new drawing, you just have to click on Start Drawing tab, which is on the left top probably, and it will start a new tab. Now you can see the working interface, which is a drawing area. And now let's learn in details. The black screen that you are seeing is your working area or drawing area. On top, the band which you are seeing, that is a ribbon. That entire band is called a ribbon, and it has different panels and tools in it. Above that we have menu. On the left side we have properties. There is one command line where you can actually type a command. The cursor is called as selection cursor. Now let's start with the basic drawing. So first we will try to draw a basic shape. So let's start with the line. So to start with the line, you can just select the line from the draw panel, or you can type the line command in the command bar. So we are going to try both the methods. So let's start with the first one. So select the line from the draw panel and then just specify the point on the black screen wherever you want, and just start drawing the line as you want your plan to be. This is method number 1, and the method number 2 is just type L. You don't have to go to the command bar and then type. You just have to type L and it will automatically give the command. Here I am showing different tools which are there in the draw panel. So there are different shapes like arches, then circle, rectangle, ellipse, etc. Let me just teach you the basics of the mouse that you have to take care while you are drawing. So the scroll wheel of the mouse is to pan and zoom on the screen. The left button of the mouse is to select objects and specify location. There are 2 different methods that you can select objects, and the right button on the mouse is for the shortcut menus. Now here I am zooming in using the scroll wheel. So in the first method, just press on left button once and then select the object and just press again. That is the method number 1. And the method number 2 is, if you want to select manually, then you just have to press the left button and select all and then leave the button. Now here I am doing it by method number 1. Now we will learn how to move the selected object. So besides the draw panel, you will see a modify panel in which there is a move tool, or you can simply type M command. So I am selecting the move tool from the modify panel, specifying one point and then just moving it on the screen where I want. Now we'll try the second method. I am going to select the other box and then just press M and enter, specify a point and move it on wherever I want. Now to rotate, I am again going to select using the left button. I am going to select one object, and then on the modify panel besides move tool, you can see the rotating tool, which is like a half circle almost, and then you have to press it and then specify the point, and you can actually rotate 360. For the last basic command, we are going to be learning about Polyline. So for Polyline, you can just actually type PL in the command box and then you just have to specify one point, and then you can get the polyline just by drawing as however you want your drawing to be or your plan to be. And I'm going to be mentioning all the commands that we have learned today in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. This is it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. I'm going to be posting a part 2 very soon, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel below. Thank you.